healthy mind, healthy body. Today, we're going to present the top 5 diseases that attack Mexicans' health.
In the following clip, we will see the top 5 diseases and how to identify them and try to treat them. According to last researches, there are around 7 million people with diabetes in Mexico. 400,000 new cases are discovered every year. In the organization Vive tu Diabetes, a doctor named Salvador Ramirez states that every 10 minutes somebody dies in Mexico thanks to diabetes. The main symptoms are feeling thirsty all the time, loss of weight with no explanation, and a constant urge to urinate. The main ways to prevent it are to eat healthy, do exercise, and avoid glucose if in your family history diabetes is common.
Obesity. According to the World Health Organization, 7 out of 10 Mexicans suffer obesity. This means more than the half of the country is extremely overweight. An organization called the OCDE assures by investigations done in recent years that Mexico occupies the 4th place in child obesity. So, 1 out of 2 teens between 5 and 17 years old suffers this disease. Patients with obesity live at constant risk of having a heart attack, problems in the pancreas, cholesterol, bad blood streaming, digestion disorders, etc. This disease can end in death. That's why it's so important to consult your doctor. If you're extremely overweight, do it. And if you don't have obesity, prevent it by eating healthy, exercising daily, doing yourself regular checkups, etc. You can control your weight and stay safe. Don't forget, your health is what matters.
Arthritis is an illness that affects almost 1,070,000 citizens. It causes extreme pain in articulations like hands, feet, knees, ankles, etc. It affects adults around 20 or 50 years old. It becomes a problem because the pain starts to be intense and the patient can continue with their normal activities, and this not only affects them but their families also. The patient starts to become less active because of the pain caused, and it becomes an economical issue to the family because the treatment is expensive. It costs around $60 per patient annually, and it has no cure.
Smoking is an addiction that not only affects the smoker, but the ones that surround him. Every day, around 160 Mexicans die because of this cause, and 1 out of 10 is ageless to smoke. Diseases like lung, mouth, esophagus cancer can develop, or chronic diseases may appear, such as bronchitis or lung emphysema, resulting in mortal casualties, like pneumonia or respiratory insufficiency. Tobacco effects don't stop in the respiratory system, but it can also provoke ulcers in the stomach, bladder cancer, and in pregnant women, premature birth. In further than first signs like bad breath, yellow teeth, aging of the skin, etc. But health organizations like the AIMS don't step back. That's why to inform and preventing the years of smoking are being held in our country. Anyways, our society has a long way to go.
Breast cancer is a tissue that forms into breast and develops into cancer. Breast cancer occurs in both men and women, although it's more common to be present in women. This type of cancer is more common in elderly women, and this is the cause of 3,500 deaths per year. Our recommendation is to check yourself frequently because an early diagnosis is the best way to stop it. Some symptoms are changes in how breast looks and feels, and sometimes the appearance of lumps around the nipple. It is recommended the self-examination, go to the doctor at least once a year for a checkup, or, if anything, it's out of normal. In summary of the past clip, the top 1 disease that affects the Mexican population is diabetes.
In number 2, obesity.
In number 3, arthritis.
In number 3, tabacism.
And in number 4, breast cancer. These diseases affect the Mexican population the most and result in the most mortal casualties in the country.
Now remember that you can prevent all these diseases by exercising daily, eating healthy, visiting your doctor regularly, and doing checkups. You can prevent most of these diseases. And remember, if you consult your doctor regularly, you can prevent the disease from the beginning. Remember that your health is the most important thing. Well, that's all for today, and we see you next week with more information about health. Thank you.